What is a reverse innovation? When Western multinational companies are tapping into new markets, they often do it by adapting an already existing product or service. For emerging markets such as India, Brazil, or African countries, this means that features are removed from the initial products or the overall quality is reduced to cut down on prices. This conventional approach of multinationals does not work very well because it fails to properly consider the cultural, behavioral, or technical differences of those markets. Reverse innovation describes the exact opposite. Products and services are especially designed for the needs of developing countries and then adapted to suit consumers in Western economies. A reverse innovation requires a disruptive technology that breaks out of the usual price-performance limitation. People want the same product functionality, but at a lower price. From this starting point, reverse innovations might lead to new and very competitive products that could impact markets worldwide. How do you design a reverse innovation? There are 5 principles of the reverse innovation approach that matter. The problem should be defined independently from existing solutions. This helps to better understand the product requirements, and you may also spot new product opportunities. Make use of the design freedoms emerging markets offer. Create a complete and optimal solution and do not eliminate features of an existing product to reduce the price. Analyze the technical environment behind the customer's need in detail. You may have misconceptions about the functioning of your idea. Test the products with as many stakeholders as possible. Only if potential customers use the product, major design flaws come to light. Use those disruptive innovations to create products for a global market. Tight constraints in emerging markets force technological breakthroughs you can build on. Gillette, for example, has particularly considered those principles when designing the Gillette Guard razor for the Indian market. They did extensive research on the value chain of the product and consumers' requirements and discovered some key differences to the Western market. The shavers need to be cheap since competing products have very low prices. They should be easy to clean with little running water, which is a challenge because Indian men tend to have heavier beards and thicker facial hair than American men do. As Indians are already used to shaving with a single blade razor, Gillette could drastically reduce the production cost. The final product has a pivoting head to help maneuvering around curves and a textured handle to prevent slippage. With a single blade, a safe design is essential to avoid injuries. Small teeth therefore flatten the skin before it contacts the blade. The Gillette Guard succeeded in India because it provides a superior value at an ultra-low cost, although it's not the cheapest razor. 2/3 of razors sold in India today are Gillette Guards. Even though the razor has not been sold outside India yet, it has the promising potential to become a full reverse innovation.